Welcome to Pan Pacific Masters Lead Up, Day 2. Today, big day at work, so we're left with doing some therapy. Left calf this time. Finding some tight bands, loosening them up with some needling, and then applying some electro, stimulate it even further. Once we've finished doing some electro, it takes about 5-6 minutes. We then stretch out the muscle, make it work through its range of motion, and make sure that it's working just as good as the right leg. Next, we're testing the hips, pelvis, and as we can see here, well, it may be a little bit hard to see, but it's definitely tighter and more restricted in its range. Have to really pull through. So we're doing a muscle energy technique to activate hip flexors and the glutes. Each leg gets worked out, pushed nice and hard, holding for about 4 to 5 seconds. You then grab a foam log, or in this case a rectangle, and really squeeze using the adductors, not just at the 90-degree angle, but lifting the hips up to work it out through different angles. Rotating through the lumbar. The tight pelvis will lead to a compensated lumbar spine, both of which don't lead to very good sprinting. We then recheck our range. Feels a lot easier to get it up, and the thighs driving into the lower couple of ribs, unlike earlier on, and much easier. Again, stretch out that lumbar. Once we've finished stretching out through the lumbar and the pelvis, we then use our foam log, or in this case a ball, and run along our spine, trying to get some thoracic extension. And then using it on the same ball on our ribs to help mobilize our ribs, make sure that they're moving nice and smoothly, which helps with rotation, breathing. As you can see, we're breathing in, forcing the ribs into the ball as we exhale. Do this both sides for a nice even match. That's all we had time for today. Hopefully we'll do some more training tomorrow.